Stay cool. Yes.
Rabbits are herbivorous with continuously growing fur teeth. Mother rabbit gives birth to live in the burrows.
Squirrels are small mammals with sharp front teeth that never stop growing. They use their bushy tail for balance. They hide and often forgot one which has grown.
Squirrels. Have you seen one here? Live, you have seen the face.
Most birds are very tiny under human babies. The babies store the pouch of their bulbous belly and continue growing while sleeping. Both giant pandas and red pandas maintain a constant body temperature in cold mountains.
Panda.
Ears are covered in dense fur to stay warm in cold forest and the mountain.
That natural.
Chimpanzees are covered with dark hairs and steady body temperate to Africa forest. Himalayan mammal. Pandas gives birth to 1 to 4 cubs in 3 days. They are found in eastern Himalayan forest of India.
Red panda. This red.
Lions are short fur and keep a constant body temperature. Males have the famous mane around their neck. Lioness nurse their cubs about 6 to 7 months.
Tiger are carnivore mammal with orange fur and black stripes. Each tiger has unique pattern-like fingerprints.
Yes.
Because of this, the tiger are called a mammal species.
Oh.
Male sea lion have much bigger thicker canines than female. Dolphins are warm-blooded with that through a blowhole. They have big brains.
Good.
Cheetahs are short golden fur with their right body helps them to run super fast.
Super.
Foxes are omnivorous. They eat small animals, fruits and insects. They are mostly nocturnal and hunt along using charm their instincts.
What do you say for fox in Tamil?
Nari.
Nari.
One of these egg-laying mammals striking for the liability. Female layering eggs have blood because echidna banana tree is still feeding visible.
Super.
Bats are the only mammals that can do two moves. Like their wings are actually stretched with extra long finger bones. Over 1,400 species exist.
Most bats see with their sound. They make high-pitched squeaks and listen to the echo to find insects in total alarm.
Parasitic mammals perfectly built for desert. They can go 5 to 7 days in fish condition and not water.
Even without
The
water.
blue whale is the biggest animal on earth, but it eats some of the tiniest creatures. Krill are the main food for blue whale.
Oh, the food chain is mentioned here. Good display. Very nice. Yes, next.
Gestation period for mammals. Bigger mammals usually have longer gestation period. Small rodents like rats 21 to 23 days. Mice 19 to 21 days. White elephants and whales carry babies for 1 to 2 years.
Super. Great
Giraffes have
information.
stubborn neck vertebrae just like humans. Each one is just massively elongated up to 10 inches long.
After saying sit down, now here standing on. Success.
Plankton mammals give us birth to a new fully developed baby. The baby grows inside the mother connected by a plankton which gives it food and oxygen. Plankton are the most successful mammals today. Elephants have the longest pregnancy of any mammals before days 22 months. After birth, calves children hard and depend on their mother for 3 to 4 years. They reach full maturity around 10 to 15 years old. An elephant trunk has over 40,000 muscles. The trunk is used for breathing under such amazing sense of smell elephants. Dolphin brains are large and have lot of holes in it similar to a human brain. Dolphin brain is about 1,500. Its exact size area of the social process.
Like our brain.
Canines long and pointed. These are the main weapons for catching prey and fighting other mates.
All the teeth are cone-shaped and have no flat molars like humans have because they do not chew. Monkey lungs. Monkeys are mammals, so their lungs work large like covers. Monkey has 2 lungs in their chest. Protected by ribs, most monkeys prevent breathing through their nose to filter dust and while in the teeth.
India has 450 plus mammal species living from both Himalayas to deserts to rainforests. Researchers have mapped 20 large mammals using occupancy models.
Great display. Very nice. Working well. Great. Yes.
So we came to end of our memorization.
Wait, ma.
Footprints are one of the easiest ways to know which mammal is passed by, even if we don't see it.
Great. Yes. Say.
Sir.
Working. Oh, yes. The footprint matching. Great job. So interest. Love animals.
Yes, sir.
Placental mammal is the biggest group of mammal. 94% of all mammal sizes are placental.
That's interesting.
Rat skeleton. Rats have very long finger bones with skin specific areas. The thumb stays free with the top or climbing and hanging. Their bones are thin and hollow like birds. This keeps them lightweight.
Interesting. I saw the bad rat. Skeleton here. Yes.
So we came to end of our Mammalogy Expo.
Sorry.
Largest animal to ever live.
You were there, no?
She was there.
Both that time itself we should have shown. So we continued. Yes.
The whale is the largest animal to ever live on Earth. It is up to 30 meters long and only tiny pills. It gulps up to 4 tons of pills per day. It is the loudest animal.
Interesting. 30 meters means 100 feet more than that. Good. Well made. Great information. I always say that the God has made even animals and birds to survive. Okay, we should not be so selfish. There is space for every creature on the planet, which means we should love them, we should protect them. Well done,
So
children.
we came to end of our Mammalian Expo. Today we learned that mammals are in just cats, humans. They can swim, they can fly, they can lay eggs, and some even grow.
Very nice, great information, great summary. Yes, well done, children.
Welcome to our environmental biology world.
Earth is a dark from the sun. It gives fresh air to breathe, clean water to drink, and food to eat. It
Sit
provides.
down. After saying sit down.
It provides by warmth, safety, home for plants, animals, and humans.
All living things like plants, animals, and humans are biotic components. Non-living things like plants, animals, and soil.
Non-living.
Biodiversity is the variety of life on Earth.
A habitat is the natural home of a living organism. Habitats provide food, water, and shelter. Earth has many different kinds of habitats, and each one is special, such as terrestrial, aquatic habitat.
Which one is special?
Earth has four main seasons. They are summer, winter, autumn, and rainy.
Yes.
Diurnal animals active during nocturnal animals active during nighttime. A desert region
After
has
saying sit down.
a desert region is a
All are
dry
watching.
area with very little rainfall. Characters are thin stem and spans to provide water loss. The mechanism of blending an animal color with its surrounding is known as camouflage. Camouflage helps animals to hide themselves from the predators. A food chain is the state part of showing energy move from one living things to another.
Hibernation is a long winter sleep of animals. Animals save energy during a cold weather due to the scarcity.
Plants are producers. Herbivores animals are primary consumers. Carnivores and omnivores are the secondary consumers. Photosynthesis is the process of making food for the plant.
Layers of soil and different layers are helpful.
The water cycle is a continuous journey where water travels from the earth to the sky and back again by evaporation, condensation, and precipitation.
Germination is the process of seed grows in the nucleus. Seed need right amount of air, water, and warmth.
Water helps to make the hard outer covering of the seed coat.
Yes.
We obtain the solar energy from sun and wind energy from moving air. The solar panels convert the sunlight into electricity. A moving air captures and light into electricity by using wind turbine.
Great job. Yes.
Hydro pump electricity. Water electricity. Water spins large turbine. Turbine produce electricity.
Biogas made from animal and kitchen waste. Waste is stored in biogas tank. Bacteria produce methane gas which is used for cooking. The leftovers will be used as manure. The retail market price of compressed biogas CBG is roughly rupees 600 per kg in India. The rainwater is collected in the roof, the top and stored in the well after purification process. It is used for future purpose.
Well made. Good. Yes.
Water reservoir for like with it main use diverted by domestic activities, agriculture and industrial operations.
Water management. Efficient.
Some persist in pollination to develop the plant into fruits.
Yes.
Some organisms are active during the day while others are active at night. Day ecosystem depends on sunlight while night ecosystem depends on darkness.
Good job. Well done. Yes, say.
Waste management is the complete system of collecting, moving, treating and throwing away trash safely, while recycling is the part where used material turned into new things. Recycling saves natural resources and reduce pollution, keeps surrounding heat percent. Organic farming avoids harmful chemicals and uses nature medicine. It improves soil fertility and produces healthy food.
Air pollution affects human health and causes breathing problems. Planting trees helps to reduce air pollution in the atmosphere.
Acid and causal by pollution, it damages the plants and forests. Pollution can reduce, so prevent acid rain.
Endangered animals is crop education, hunting also breeding wildlife.
Endangered animals, wildlife and health concerns. Even though they were endangered animals, used to provide for themselves, keeping at the balance and healthy practices.
Natural disaster lighting conditions. Systems produce lighting and thunder. Lighting is power of electrical disaster.
These should stay indoors during storms, avoid standing under trees.
Natural disasters tsunami. It causes floods and destruction. Early warning systems are alive.
A tsunami is a series of giant waves displaced by underwater earthquakes.
The drought is a long time with very little rain. In case water storage and useful, it can save water banks to save next generation.
That too, sir.
This model shows how many protected environment to simple actions. Later on, harvesting space water also have written hydroelectric power, provide clean energy, and reduces pollution.
Yes.
Excess greenhouse gas causes global warming.
Global warming, very interesting. Well done, children. Great.
Shall I close this?
Good morning, sir. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome to classroom. Science is not a subject we learn only through the book, but it also explains the
Life we are living. Yes. You are saying anything?
Yes, sir. Today we are glad to explain you the topic of orthopedics and endocrinology. Orthopedics refers to the bones and muscles. Endocrinology refers to the glands and hormones. Today we will learn more about it, sir. We are glad to welcome you to our class, World of Orthopedics and Endocrinology, sir. Welcome, sir.
Explain to you. Already I told in entry sorry. Okay, explain to you should not.
I correct it.
Yes.
Growth hormone is a protein hormone that helps in the synthesis of the growth and development of the body. It is released by pituitary gland, a small gland located at the base of the brain.
Bone regeneration is the only one which is true. It's the form of true regeneration. When we break a bone, our body acts quickly, inflamming the area.
Make it short, 1 or 2 lines.
I don't remember how the process of this because of bone marrow. Bone marrow is a sponge of tissue present inside the bone. Inside the bone, there is a special
As you can see, the growth plates are present at the end of growing bones. These are the regions in which new bone tissues are formed.
The ligaments are strong and arrange the bones to make these stable joints.
People say ligament tear. Tear.
tendons connect muscle to bone and helps us to move. Example, arch-like tendon. Hormones are chemical messengers that control growth, metabolism, and body.
Effect of diabetes on wound healing. Normally, a wound heals through stages like blood clotting, new tissue formation, and skin repair.
Diabetes.
Growth hormone is the chemical message secreted by the pituitary gland.
Yes, he's showing anything.
It controls metabolism, helps build strong muscles and bones, and regulate growth.
Super. You should say no, see this. Look at this.
Pituitary gland produces growth hormone which controls the growth of bone and other body tissues.
Why the bone is growing without interest? It's growing. You are like you. Speak energy.
This is a skeleton. This provides a structure to the human body. Not only this, but it's an armor to the organs.
This will be rubber without that.
Endocrine glands secrete hormones directly into blood. They control metabolism, bone growth, and reproduction. The pituitary gland is a pea-sized organ. It stimulates hormones like thyroid, adrenals, growth hormone.
Stimulating organs.
Osteoporosis is a bone disease which makes bone weak, porous, and high risk of fracture.
Menstrual compression is a process which body may consume several processes, typically between 70 and 140.
Stress hormone also called as a
Stress hormones.
Stress hormones, sir. Also called as cortisol. If it's short term, our bone will healthy. If it's a long term and high, our bone will get weakened, sir.
Oh, stress hormone effect. Yes. Next.
A fracture of bone is break or crack. For example, falling from a house. Do you know that healthy bone is 4 times stronger than
When our brain gets stressed, it will give a signal to adrenal gland. It will produce a stress hormone and it will go to the
Give signals actually. But I got a lot of stress. No, not signal. Not about those who love me, they alone are signal.
There are 5 stages of bone healing. First stage hematoma, second inflammation, third soft callus formation, fourth one hard callus formation, fifth one bone remodeling.
Take biology in 11th standard.
types of bones? Long bones. They provide support and strength to our body. Small bones. They are relatively small in shapes. Helps in the movement of hand.
The arm is the main organ that pumps the blood to the whole body.
Super. What is the meaning in Tamil? Heart. Idayam.
The heart is the only organ which you are continuously without rest. And the left ventricle is the strongest chamber in the heart because it pumps the blood through the whole body.
Main function pumping the blood. Yes.
Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin that helps the body absorb calcium and phosphorus, which are essential for strong bones and teeth. Thanks.
What is calcium cycle? Calcium cycle consists of 3 parts: energy giving foods, body building foods, and protective foods. In energy giving foods, if you see, it gives carbohydrates and fats. Body building foods, proteins, and protective foods, vitamins and minerals.
Body visibility. Good chain. Yes.
There is a gland in our brain called the pituitary gland which secretes the growth hormone, and there are 4 types of and the model will explain for you.
Hi, I'm a document. I become dark because my pituitary gland didn't secrete enough growth hormone in my childhood.
This is a normal.
Hi, I am a normal woman. My growth was stable with well-proportionate body because my pituitary gland secreted enough growth hormone. Hi, I am a person affected by acromegaly. Acromegaly means my growth will be same as a normal person, but the forehead, jaw and limbs will be bigger.
Becomes bigger. Okay. Much growth.
Hi, I am a giant human. I became giant because my pituitary gland secreted more growth hormone in my childhood.
Okay. Keep your health okay. Without fail, have breakfast. The body is all about now. It's not permanent. Okay. So we should make it long last. Well done, Siddharth. Very nice.
Please, please.